Recently, the Malta Gozo Channel has received international recognition as a marine IBA. John Borge, the curator of the Natural History Museum on Malta, explains what an IBA is.
These are areas which are of particular importance to the birds, either for breeding or during migration. The new IBA is going to be right in the middle between Malta and Gozo, which will cover also the island of Comino. It's an area covering about 123 square kilometers, ranging from a bit south of Tacenci Cliffs and Gozo, another IBA, and extending eastwards off Irdum Tal Madonna, another IBA. So it's quite an extensive area, which is commonly known as the Gozo Channel.
IBAs are recognized worldwide. They attract interest from birdwatchers, conservationists and planners, and they become travel destination and target for ecotourism projects and scientific studies.
The identification of a place like this new IBA is based on visual counts of birds that you are seeing. So, all in all, although it's very time consuming, it's easier and much more with a higher confidence level in the numbers given.
I spent an average of 6 hours a day scanning the sea surface and the sky looking for migratory birds. Often I was supported by the best Maltese birdwatchers, Charles Coleiro, Ian Balzan and Ray Galea. I recorded for each flock of birds the number of individuals, the species, and where possible the sex and their behavior.
The cliffs are of particular importance to three breeding seabirds: the Scopolis shearwater, Yelkwan shearwater, where we have about 10% of the world population breeding in Maltese Islands, and the stone petrel. The Mediterranean race of the stone petrel, in Malta we have about 90% of that population. All these three make the Maltese Islands extremely important for these seabirds, and very special. Yep.
I remember an amazing day when we recorded about 3,000 ducks flying through the channel, including more than 100 ferruginous duck, a target species for this project, and hundreds of Coris shearwater feeding under Tacenci Cliffs.
This will hopefully give more protection to these birds while out at sea. Legally speaking, it's one major step forward. The main idea behind this is that this new site will also get Natura 2000 status and protection as well.